Welcome to today's video. Have you ever felt that strange jolt just as you're about to drift off to sleep, like you suddenly tripped, fell, or missed a step? 1 second you're floating into dreamland, and the next your whole body jerks awake. It's startling, random, and oddly universal. But what's actually happening when your body twitches as you fall asleep? This video is about why your body twitches when falling asleep. A phenomenon known as a hypnic jerk. It's a brief, involuntary muscle spasm that occurs as your body transitions from wakefulness to sleep. And though it feels strange, it's completely normal. In fact, almost everyone experiences it. Picture this. It's the end of a long day. You're lying in bed, lights off, drifting between consciousness and sleep. Your breathing slows, your muscles relax, your thoughts fade into dreams, and then bam! Your leg kicks, your arm jerks, or your whole body jolts. You wake up, your heart races for a moment, and you wonder, what was that? That sudden twitch has a scientific name. The hypnic jerk, also called a sleep start. It happens during the first stage of sleep, when your body begins to shut down and your brain shifts into a slower rhythm. But here's where it gets fascinating. Even though your mind is ready to rest, your body hasn't fully caught up yet. As you fall asleep, your brain waves slow, your muscles relax, and your heartbeat drops. But sometimes, your brain misinterprets these changes. It senses your muscles loosening and your body becoming still, and for a split second it mistakes that for falling. Your brain, acting out of ancient instinct, sends a burst of signals through your nerves to catch yourself. That's the twitch you feel. It's almost like your brain is saying, "Whoa, are we okay?" This reaction comes from the reticular formation, a region in your brainstem responsible for motor control and alertness. When it detects that your muscles are relaxing too quickly, it can send a pulse of activity through your nervous system, triggering that sudden jolt. So in short, that twitch isn't random at all. It's your brain trying to protect you. Some scientists believe it's an evolutionary reflex. Imagine early humans sleeping in trees or on uneven ground. If your brain thought you were falling asleep too fast, literally falling, it might send a quick muscle contraction to help you grab a branch or stabilize your body. Today, that ancient reflex still lives on, even though we sleep safely in beds. But not everyone experiences these twitches the same way. Some people feel them rarely, while others get them every night. Certain factors make hypnic jerks more likely, including stress or anxiety. When your mind races at bedtime, your body stays tense, making the transition to sleep more chaotic. Caffeine or stimulants. These keep your nervous system active, making it harder to relax fully. Exercise before bed. Physical activity energizes your muscles and increases adrenaline levels, both of which can trigger twitching. Sleep deprivation. The more tired you are, the faster your body tries to shut down, which can confuse the brain. Bright screens or light exposure. Blue light suppresses melatonin production, disrupting natural sleep cycles. To good news. Hypnic jerks are entirely harmless. They don't indicate a health issue, and they don't disrupt your sleep long term, unless they happen so often that they prevent you from falling asleep. However, if hypnic jerks are frequent, severe, or regularly disturb your sleep, it's a good idea to consult a healthcare professional for reassurance and to rule out any underlying conditions. While hypnic jerks might feel alarming, it's important to distinguish them from more serious sleep disorders such as sleep apnea or restless leg syndrome, which have different symptoms and implications. Common misconceptions might lead some to worry excessively, but understanding the difference is key. If you experience additional symptoms such as pain, injury, or other sleep disturbances alongside the twitches, seeking medical advice is particularly important to ensure your overall well-being. If that's the case, small changes like reducing caffeine, stretching, or meditating before bed can help calm your body and nervous system. Additionally, maintaining a regular sleep schedule and dimming lights before bedtime can make a significant difference. These habits help signal to your body that it's time to wind down and ease the transition to sleep. Now, let's go a little deeper. What's actually happening inside your body during a hypnic jerk? When your body begins to fall asleep, your muscle tone decreases. This is called atonia state. Your brain activity moves from alpha waves, relaxed wakefulness, to theta waves, light sleep. During this crossover, your motor neurons, the nerve cells that control movement, can fire spontaneously. This sends a quick electrical impulse through your muscles, causing the twitch. Sometimes, this muscle contraction even triggers a dream, like you're falling, tripping, or missing a step, which perfectly syncs with the physical jolt. It's one of those rare moments where your dream world and physical body collide. Think of it this way. Your body is like a computer shutting down. The screen, your consciousness starts to fade, but a few programs, your reflexes, are still running in the background. Every once in a while, those systems overlap, and you get that glitch-like twitch. It's not a malfunction. It's part of the incredibly delicate dance your brain performs every night as it transitions into sleep. Fun fact, studies show that up to 70% of people experience hypnic jerks regularly. They're more common in younger adults and tend to decrease with age. Even animals like cats and dogs have been observed twitching in their sleep, suggesting that this reflex might be shared across many species. For instance, any cat owner might notice their feline friend twitching in its paws or whiskers while dreaming about its favorite toy. Similarly, dogs often exhibit rapid leg movements, as if they are running in their sleep, pursuing imaginary adventures. Alongside hypnic jerks, other intriguing sleep phenomena capture our curiosity. Sleep talking, for example, can range from harmless mumbling to full conversations and occurs during NEM, REM, or REM sleep. Another phenomenon, sleep paralysis, happens when a person awakens from sleep but is temporarily unable to move or speak, often accompanied by vivid hallucinations. Exploring these events can offer deeper insights into the mysterious world of sleep. So next time it happens, instead of being startled, take a deep breath and smile. That quick jolt is a sign your body is working exactly as it should, protecting you, adjusting to rest, and preparing to recharge. Curiosity never sleeps, and neither does science. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more fascinating science facts, hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see the full playlist, the link is in the description.